what are you doing in my room? I'm trying to rest.
I'm trying to play with candy and eat.
Candy is not food.
Yes, it
It's
is.
very early in the morning.
No, it's not. It's literally around 6.
It's early in the morning.
It's literally just past 6.
No, it's 10.
But on Olivia's iPad,
10
it's
in the morning.
But
Olivia,
it's
go wipe your
4
mouth.
minutes ago. Like 4 minutes ago, it said
You,
on
Mimi.
Olivia's
My name is not Mimi.
iPad.
Go wipe your mouth. Go and wipe your mouth.
Today, 4 minutes ago, Olivia's iPad said the time is 6:57. Look at all the diamonds I got.
Go wipe your face.
Diamonds.
Go and wipe your face. It
I
looks
got diamonds.
nasty. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This is Jenny's Outlet here as usual. If today is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by and I appreciate you all. Today I'll be taking you guys along as I run errands around the house. Okay, today I just have a lot of things to do, like laundry, cleaning, cooking, mainly cooking and doing laundry because I worked last night and I'm a little bit tired, but the kids won't let me sleep since they are home, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I have to do so that I can go to bed early. Okay, and I think I need to do my sister's hair and I need to take out my old weave. Okay, you see, it's old, so I need to take it out and do my daughter's hair, do laundry. So that's what I'll be doing today. If you like this kind of chilled vlog, just keep on watching, okay? And I appreciate you all. See you as I do my activities, okay? So guys, I have this green here. I'm going to be, because the weather is changing, so right now we're prepping for gardening next year. That's what it says. My son is asking me what I'm doing with all this. So yeah, we're prepping for gardening next year. These are seeds from the green. What Nigerians call green. Yeah, these are seeds from it. So I'm going to be pretty much planting it next year. And it's good to have it so I can give it to anybody that actually wants it. And this has thorns, so you have to be careful when it dries up. Like you see the seeds. Also, do you see the seeds? Sorry for that noise. You see the seeds? The seeds are these little tiny black things. Like they are very, very tiny. They are very, very tiny. So that's what I'll be planting. I'm saving this much because I'm going to be giving anybody that wants it. Okay, these things are expensive here, so anybody that wants it, that wants the dry seed, can get it from me. Okay, so I'm also going to bring the water leaf seeds. I'm also going to get my water leaves. Okay, we are making afghan soup today. I have some in the freezer, so don't worry, don't panic, don't say, is it this small thing? I have some in the freezer because we've been uprooting it since, and this is like the last round before the cold kills them all up. Okay? Like the ones I have here, something is biting it, like seriously biting it. It's not even funny. But thank God we're at the end of the season. So I'm just saving the seeds for planting season next year. If you don't have the seed, if you plant the stem, you're fine. Okay, but the seed can also grow it. Okay, you can just plant the stem only. But because I won't be having the stem, except if I go by when people start producing theirs, so I'm going I've saved some prior to this that should be dried already. So when they are dried, I put it away for next year. Okay. Hello guys. Yes, now we're about to make our soup. I'm making afang soup. Okay, today on our menu we have afang soup. I have this water leaf here. This is a fancy stockfish. It's been soaked and it's soft. I have salt and maggi here. I have dried fish. I have my scotch bonnet pepper, red oil, periwinkle, sea snail, and I have crayfish, and this is kiberu pepper. Okay, without talking so much, we're going to continue with our cleaning the veggies. Okay, my son is already helping me clean. I have more afang just in case this one is more where I live, just in case this one is too small. My assistant cook. Assistant cook, what's up? Huh? But why are you wearing a hoodie though? He hates the fact of making him do this. Well, yeah. He said he's not gonna.
I hate it, I just rather not do it.
What?
I don't hate it, I just rather not.
Why would you rather not do it?
I prefer not to do it.
Nope, that's not how it works, boy. You have to help in the house. Help. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and add my salt and give it a quick stir. I've not added salt all this while because I was trying to let the meat cook a little bit, because if not it would take longer time to cook, and I wasn't trying to do that. So guys, it's the same day I had to change my clothes into a more comfortable one. It's about to be a marathon cooking here. Some dried asam, okay? It's been washed properly. Sea snail. Fish and pepper. You're hiding? Hide no more. We can see you. You hiding? Is she hiding? Look at her. Look at her. Leave her alone.
I can see her easy. I can find
Easily.
her. Easier. The easier way to
So guys, at this point I was done doing Olivia's hair. She liked it. I was telling her how her hair looked like a princess hair. You see how she was blushing over there. She liked the hair, and I also liked it. I think I did great for a first timer. And yes guys, at this point your girl was so tired. Please guys, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff you guys do to other people's video to mine. I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, hope you have a nice